Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a review of the new 3Dconnxion keyboard. But before we begin, I want to say thanks to the 3Dconnxion team for sending me their new keyboard and giving me the opportunity to try it out. So thank you guys. I got the keyboard about a week ago and I have been using it every day since. So let's go ahead and check out the highlights of this keyboard. First, they have separated the numpad from the keyboard. This is great because now you have the freedom to choose if you want the numpad on the right, left, or maybe not use it at all. Next, the keyboard is very thin. It reminds me of a laptop keyboard, and personally, I really like it. So here you can see how thin it is. Really nice. The top key rows, they call them 3Dconnxion keys. There are 12 on the keyboard and 4 on the numpad. This key can change function or commands depending on the application you have active. You can also display a bar on your computer screen where you can see what you have configured on them at all times. Now, so how is the typing experience? Personally, I really like it. The keys are very quiet. I feel like I'm typing on a laptop's keyboard, as I mentioned before. So let me show you how it sounds. I hope you could hear it, but they are quiet. There are 3 things that I personally would like to see in the next version. First, backlight for the keys. I'm talking about something simple like on a laptop. I don't care for the color changing and the flashlights. Something very simple. A toning knob, which can be configured for volume, zoom, or whatever makes sense for each person. Lastly, I would like the keyboard to be wireless as well, like the numpad. Now, you must remember that 3Dconnexion's main focus with their products is productivity and efficiency, which is also why this keyboard may not be for everyone. But if you are like me and you appreciate simplicity, productivity, and efficiency, then I'm sure you will enjoy this new keyboard from 3Dconnxion. That's it for today. Please let me know what you think about the keyboard down in the comments area, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.